this is kind of exciting because I've never lived in an apartment before, and last year I was in the dorms, so this is kind of like a little change, and I thought it'd be fun to film a little tour. The main theme, I guess you could say, of my room is just like minimalistic, neutral colors, so there's like a lot of grays and whites, so let's get into it. So here is the front door, and when you come in, you see the bathroom and then an overview of my room. That's the front door, and then you come in here and it's the bathroom. And I have my shower curtain, which is from Target. And then these bath mats I actually got for my dorm last year. They're from Ross. And then this is just like basic sink stuff. I've never had one of these before, like these medicine cabinets, but in here I just have like skincare and stuff like that. So yep. And then in here I have like extra things and like body care, straighteners, you know, the goods. So down here I keep, okay, that looks like a terrible mess, I'm so sorry. But it's just like cleaning supplies and stuff. Come out from the bathroom into the bedroom area. So here is my bed, my mirror hanging. This is actually one of those like cheap mirrors from Walmart. I bought it last year for my dorm actually, so I just brought it here. And then over here I made like a little collage thing, and some of these photos are mine, a lot of them are from Pinterest, and then I bought these from like the grocery store. Command hooks, hang my keys and my masks, because you know, mug for like my brushes, my hair ties, water bottle, purse, you know. And then down here I keep a bucket hat, which I rarely wear, but it's just here, and I have my charger. This bucket hat's actually from Urban, so it's cute, I like that. And then moving over, I just have my yoga mat. This is actually just a really cheap one from Five Below, just for like simple routines. And then I have this little plant, and I have the built-in desk. And so over here, I just keep my laptop, my planner. This one is from Target. I always buy planners from Target because they're so cute. And then I bought this for my dorm last year. I think it's from Walmart, pretty sure. And then a little stapler in case I need it. And then this I just keep like, you know, paper clips and things in case I need those. And I have another collage of things here. My backpack. I do have a what's in my backpack video up on my channel. A lot of the things that I have in there are pretty much the same. But yeah, so in this drawer, I just keep my glasses, my school notebooks, and my pencil case. And then in here, I just have like extra, oh my gosh. Yeah, I have too many of the same mascara, but makeup, and there's like nail polishes, first aid lotion, extra sticky notes, and my charger in there. I totally forgot to mention I have a shelf like up here. Right now I just have my laptop sleeve up there, but I don't really know like what else to put there. I'm thinking maybe like textbooks in the future, but everything's online. And then we come over here and we have my closet. And the way that I did my closet area is I took these shelves and I like hid them under my bed, and in there I just keep like t-shirts and things that aren't to be hanged. So I really don't like doors like this, but it's fine. So I have my closet here, and here I just keep like jeans and shorts. This is from IKEA. I literally love this, and it's so sturdy. Down here I just keep all my shoes, and then on this side, just figure out how to get this door. I think I'm doing this so wrong, but I just keep like some sweaters back here in case I need like my laundry bag, an extra suitcase, you know. Okay, I so think the doors are wrong. I don't think it's supposed to be like that, but it's fine. We'll just leave it. This comforter is from IKEA. This I believe I got from Ross. So that's pretty much my entire room. It's super simple. That's much it. Thanks for watching.